of Signal Hill in my 9-to-5 job, and we're gonna be driving all the way to Hawthorne. Yeah, we have a 40-minute drive ahead of us. We're gonna deal with probably 3 different types of freeways, and it's like a 45-minute drive, and there's a lot of traffic. So I'm gonna take you guys into my mind and show you guys what I'm thinking traffic wise, right? Like if I need a merge, if I see a car braking, you guys are gonna be my mindset pretty much, and I'm gonna just talk to you guys as if you guys are my mind and how I think. So I've never driven from Signal Hill to Hawthorne on this route, so should be pretty interesting. That's why I have the GPS right here, because I don't have anywhere to place the phone, and I do not want to get lost. So remember, safety is our #1 priority, so we're gonna be just trying to be careful not to hit any cars, not to run any red lights or miss any exits. So yeah, I'm drinking my Diet Coke. It's a USA themed, which I did not even know until now. I guess. All right, so we're on Cherry Avenue and Willow Street. For all of you locals, you guys know exactly where I'm at. There's a McDonald's and a Chevron here to my left. Like I said, I'm gonna be completely open-minded right now, like talking to you guys. You guys are my mindset, so you guys are my mind, and I'm talking to you guys. All right, so I know the 405 North is 0.7 miles away. I need to go to my right. There's a car right here. I put my blinker on right now. The car is giving me an open space, so I'm gonna take it, check my blind spots. I am good, and I'm relaxing right here. I could switch over to this one, but I'm not gonna do it right now. Okay, we got a yellow light anyways, so we're gonna stop here. How much is gas? 6.39 for the lowest. Damn, that's expensive. That's pricey. Oh, we got a red Tesla over here. What is it? Tesla Y? Can't even see. It just says dual motor. Okay, green light. Okay, there's no cars anymore except for this one right here on my blind spot. But I think right here is when I'm gonna switch. Okay, that's a pretty good opening. Nothing on my blind spot. I should be good. Speed limit is 45. It's a good thing I'm going 27 or 30, I think. Dang it, yellow light. Alright, I don't know how long this light takes, so I guess we're just gonna wait it out. Every time I pass by here, I look at that 7-Eleven and I'm like, man, that's like one of the fanciest 7-Elevens I've ever seen. I don't know if you guys could tell in the camera, but it just looks like a glass building and it's a 7-Eleven. Alright, so straight entering the 405, I'm gonna get hit with traffic. Hopefully, have I gone on the 405 North? I think I have, but I just don't want to hit any truck scales. For all of you truck drivers that know about truck scales, they're a pain. I just don't want to risk the hassle of getting stopped, or I don't want to go through the hassle of getting stopped. So let's just make sure, or let's just hope that we don't hit any scales. I'm gonna get the 405 to the 710 to the 91. Okay, green light, let's go. Okay, 405 North, right lane. All right, and I already see all the traffic. Oh, bro, why you gotta stand there? Please, 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 please don't do anything dumb. Bro, that's your wheel. Oh, maybe he's trying to fix it. I thought he was trying to like break it. Maybe he's trying to fix it. Who knows? Okay, 1 car per green. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go. Honestly, I think it's just very packed here because it's an exit towards somewhere else. But traffic is actually flowing pretty fine. It's just right here. I need to merge. Does it merge? Yeah, it does merge. Man. Let's see if they're gonna let me merge. We got a Honda Civic, I believe, over here to my left. I don't know if he's gonna let me merge. This Honda Accord is 2 in the middle. He probably doesn't want to let anyone merge. It's all good. We'll get our chance to merge. Thank you. Oh yeah, the Honda is letting me, so let's just go. Well, at least I hope it's letting me. Alright, yeah, it did let me, so let me just say thank you. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna hit any truck scales. Thank goodness. Because, oh my gosh, one time I had a really bad experience with the truck scales where they stopped me and they were like, oh hey, bad news, your brakes are actually, or I don't know what the part is called. Go ahead, sir, I'll let you go. Okay, so point was the brakes were not good. I don't know what the part is. Some part in the wheels, and they were like, you cannot leave out of these scales until that thing is fixed. And I was like, oh my gosh, I had to call my supervisor. They had to send a truck repairman to the location where I was at. Point is, I ended up clocking out almost 2 or 3 hours after my shift ended, so I did overtime. But I was just right there waiting, and it was a pretty bad experience. All right, let's merge. They gave us a clearance. We're good. All right, so now I'm gonna be here until the 7:10, I believe. And the GPS is actually telling me to stay on the 405 all the way to the 110. But I think there is a truck scale on the 405, and I just don't want to risk it. So I'm gonna get on the 710, which I know does not have a truck scale, towards the 91, which I know doesn't have a truck scale as well. And I'm gonna just try to get there as safely as possible. All right, so, well, ETA says I'm gonna get there in 29 minutes, so it's actually not a bad drive. If traffic was worse and it would have told me like, oh hey, your ETA is in 1 hour, I would have been pissed off, honestly. I would have been like, man, why? But 29 minutes, not too bad. That's like an average drive here in California. From Signal Hill to Hawthorne, I think that's pretty reasonable. It's not too bad. Could have been worse, right? Alright, 710 freeway in half a mile. I should start putting my signal. No cars on my right. Let's go. Well, now that I think about it, 28 minutes to get there, but I'm actually taking my own way, so if anything, the ETA could go up, because I don't know how bad traffic is on the 710 or on the 91. Right, yeah, 90. Yeah, I'm gonna go on the 91. I thought about the 105, but before I drove off, I saw the traffic on the 105, and oh my gosh, it was terrible. 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 So I guess I'm gonna take the 91. Alright, so I know these two lanes merge, so I need to be careful. got no cars behind us, so we're pretty good if we want to merge. Oh, there's a big bump here. Is it a big bump? No, it's a small bump. Oh, got the water canals. All right, so there is a car behind us, but he's just chilling behind us, so we're good. Oh, you see, look, time went up by like 4 minutes, so it could continue to go up, so no need to fear. Well, this part of the 710 is actually pretty empty. Okay, let's merge. Okay, we got a big enough gap to merge, so we're good. Oh, I'm getting a little cold. Okay, let's turn it down. Semi truck to my left. This car in front of me. All right, we're chilling. We're chilling. Now time to drink more of my Diet Coke. Okay, this semi truck wants to merge now. Let's just give him a gap. All of us truck drivers, we're pretty much co-workers, so we should all help each other out. You know, we're in the same field, we're in the same job. You know, we pretty much know that cars don't like to let us merge, so that's why we need to help each other out. Okay, low-key, I should think about switching. Can I switch? Yes, let me switch. I know there's a van coming, but he's a little far back. I'm sure he won't mind if I switch here. So the GPS is telling me to take the 105, but I saw there was a lot of traffic, so I low-key want to just stick to my plan of being on the 91. Oh, well, the 91 is coming up, so I should switch. I'm going on the 91 West. Okay, blind spots are good. Let me just triple check, because sometimes cars just be coming out of nowhere. Okay. Okay, we're good here. I'm gonna just take the 91 West, whatever. Who cares? I don't care if it's more packed. Or actually, I would care, but I don't know that. I'm just gonna stay here, hope for the best. You know, either way, I'm recording content, so it's a win-win. I'm recording content, and I'm driving, and I'm working. I think that's one of the best duos, right? When you're like at your job and you're already working, you're already here, and I'm recording content, so it's a win-win for me. Okay, 91 West, I'm cool here. I'm chilling on this lane. West. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay here. Dude, traffic on the 710 South is terrible. It's a good thing I'm not there. I was there earlier, but dude, right now the traffic is terrible right there. Okay, I'm about to approach this 25 miles per hour turn, so let's slow down, make sure there's no cars tailgating us. And let's start slowing down. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Oh man, there is traffic here, but honestly, it's not that bad. The ETA did not go up, so I think we're still chilling. Okay, there's a car approaching. Okay, but he switched. I thought he was gonna try to cut me off right here. All Alright, so I don't really need to switch lanes. I could pretty much chill here until the 110. And yeah, that's exactly where it's sending me, the 110. So we're good here. I just need to watch out for cars that are merging. So I'm gonna leave a safe gap in front of me. Make sure to keep my distance a little far, not too far. Like, I think this truck is gonna want to merge. Yep, told you. After you've been truck driving for a while, you start to pick up habits. Like, you know when cars are gonna try to cut you off. Like, you just know it. It's like a gut feeling that you feel. Like, I know some car is gonna want to merge right now. Like, there's a truck over here to my right that wants to merge, so I'll probably, no, he kept going forward.